6 days of evidence, today ending with the man at the centre of it all, Keith Kerinauia taking a seat in the witness box to give evidence in his own murder trial. His family supporting him on one side of the courtroom, the family of the victim on the other. Emotional as Mr Kerinauia recounted his version of events from the night of March 19, 2023. The 20-year-old told the court he'd driven his cousin and a 16-year-old who cannot be named to the airport tavern BWS to buy drinks. Mr Kerinauia said he became agitated waiting for his cousin before entering the store barefoot to hurry him up. He says he then got into an argument with Declan Laverty, who allegedly told him to come back once he'd finished his shift. Mr Kerinauia said he became fired up and ran back to the car to get a knife, telling the court he wanted to scare the victim. CCTV from inside the bottle shop was played, the defence pausing it at a moment which appears to show Mr Kerinauia facing the entrance of the shop, his back to the victim. "Do you remember what you were doing at that point? Before that, I was going to walk out." "Before what?" "Before I seen him lunging at me with a blade." Declan Laverty was found with 5 stab wounds, including a 10-centimetre gash through his right chest, lung and heart. Mr Kerinauia today described swinging his knife at the victim, but denied he was aiming for any specific part of the body. When asked by his lawyer what he thought Mr Laverty's injuries were at the time, Mr Kerinauia said he didn't think it was too bad and he didn't realise how seriously he'd been injured. For over an hour, Mr Kerinauia was cross-examined by Crown Prosecutor Marty Ost, who suggested he called the victim a white "You called over your shoulder to your boys in the car, "There's a white here, I'm gonna stab him," didn't you? "I don't recall saying anything like that." The parties will deliver their closing arguments tomorrow before the jury considers their verdict. Olivana Lathouris, ABC News.